Well, make money watching ads online. Yes, it's $40 per hour you can make, or more or less, by watching ads online. This is the watch ads and get paid method that I'm going to show you in this video that you will definitely like. But before I show you that, hi, this is Jash from Money Honey. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, how you can just get paid watching ads online? Yeah, this is no skills required, no promotions required, no investment required, nothing else. It's completely 100% free method. Just go over there, this website that I have to show you, and work daily, watch some ads here and there, and you will get decent amount of money, like $40 per hour. If you spend more times, you can make more money. The first website that I'm about to show in this video is called lightgpt.com. Yes, you may heard it or not, but definitely this is a good website. lightgpt.com. The future is here and you have to hope into it and you can make money with it. They are really good sites to earn. They have lots of payment options right now. You can just watching ads, you can get money. Watching videos, you can get money. You can complete some offers. They have lots of offers and you can make money with by just completing those offers. And they are all CPA. They have CPA offers and get paid to offers which are seconds to complete, and you will make decent amount of money every day without any problem. They also have short links and faucet features which are really cool way. Faucets are really cool earning way. Just require your PC to running in the background and you will make money in a passive way. So all it takes is really cool. You can just scroll down, you can see that they have like more than 300,000 users right now, and so far they have paid out $12,000. So this site is really paying and really cool sites. They have some payment options like Bitcoin, Faucet Pay, Payer, and Coin Payment. You can get paid any way you like. If you just want to see how they score in Trustpilot, you can just click on Trustpilot here and you can see that they are having a good rating of 4.4, which is really good. People are liking these sites, so that why they are getting these scores, and these thousands of people's already reviewed this website and they get paid. They're happy with it. So 4.4 is a good score for Trustpilot and for a site like LightGPT, and you are good to go with that. For your satisfactions, you can just go over to their payment proof sections and you can see that they have some recent payments all every day. They update this. You can see that people's all over the world are making a decent amount of money every day. $9, $10, $14, and more work you do, more money you can make. And definitely opportunity is the limitless. So all it takes is just go over in the menu and click on register, and you can see that this is a simple form. You just put your username, password, email, and fill the captcha and hit register, and you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money every day, every hour. More time you spend, more money you can make. You can just definitely make $20 to $30 every day in these websites without any problem. Just you can simply log in and just view ads and it will just run in the background. You can do your work or watch ads as well, but they have hundreds and thousands of ads, video ads you can just watch every day. And all it requires is like hideout ads, hideout videos. You can watch these videos every day. All it required is a registration on hideout. Simply fill it this form and hit sign me up and you're good to go to earn through LightGPT by just viewing ads. And the most important thing is their payout threshold is only 50 cents. So if you just reach 50 cents, you can ask for payout without any hassles. So all it takes is just simply spend some times every day, and you can get your earning every day without any problem. So definitely LightGPT is a good site. It's the first site. I'm going to show you another sites, another cool sites that you can earn much more money. But before I show you that, if you're liking this video, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos, with my channel every day. So all it is required is your time and some little work that you can do every day to earn a decent amount of money. The second website that I'm about to show you in this video is called BoxInside.com. Yes, BoxInside.com. It's also a great, very good site that you can earn money. You can get paid every 10 seconds. You just spend, yeah, their ad times is around 10 seconds. So they are really fast. They pay instantly. You can cash out instantly. Their minimum payout is $2. So if you reach $2, you can ask for payment and you can get paid instantly to your PayPal, Payza, advance cash, Bitgold, and many more payment options they have. You can just simply cash out your earnings without any problem. Very, very easy. All it takes is just, if you just go over to their payment proof sections, you can see that peoples all over the world are earning decent amount of money every day from this website. These are all latest payment proofs. You can see peoples are earning $60, $17, $100, $19, more than thousands of hundreds of dollars people are making from this website. You can see for your satisfactions. If you do not trust it, you can just see these proofs. These are not fake. They are getting paid from this website. So all it takes is just hit on register. It will show simple forms like username, email, password, and you are good to go. You can select your payment options and hit register, and then you're good to go to your dashboard like this. All it takes is just click on view ads, and you can see that they have some view fixed advertisement buttons, and go to pricing pages, and all it takes is just click on view fixed advertisement buttons, and it will show some similar ads like this. This is the page. You can see it's just simply take 10 seconds of your time, and boom, you're good to go. You're earning money, and you just hit next, and it will show the next ads, and they have hundreds of thousands of ads every day. You just spend some time, and you will make a decent amount of money every day without any problem. So if you just go over to their survey sections, in the menu you can just choose survey and offers, and this page will show up. This will definitely increase your earning opportunity. They have some hundreds of surveys every day they upload. You can see that you can just a minimum 15 cents, 23 cents, 35 cents, 75 cents, 90 cents. It all takes some seconds to complete, and you can make a decent amount of money. In combination of it, you can make a decent amount of money, definitely. So if you just scroll more in the menu, you can see that they have a task in feature. If you just click on it, it will show the task in page, which will show you some task in missions. Like you can just complete this task listed here, and it will give you some amount of money, and more level it will reach to the next level, and it will make you more money if you complete that level task, and so on. You can make a good amount of money just completing some various tasks there. And also, if they have a rented referrals and direct referrals sections, where you can just, if you don't want to promote any referral, or if you want a very easy passive income, you can just spend a little amount of money like $1 to $5, and you can get some direct referrals or rented referrals as you wish, and this will definitely give you passive income without lifting a finger. If they are your referrals going to earn you money, and you will just withdraw your money day after day. So all it takes is very easy process. And if you just in the menu section, if you just click on price in, this page will show up price in sections. They have already paid over $5,000. So this section is real, and you just simply complete this task every day, and you have a chance to earn some direct referrals, add credits, or some money directly to your account. So these are really cool way. If you just want free referrals, you can just hop onto their price in sections and complete this task every day, and you will win some referrals or some credits or some money without any problem. This is free to work. So all it takes is just complete this task every day. If you just go over to this website and if you spend some seconds every day, you will definitely make $10 to $20. So in combinations of BoxInside and LightGPT.com, you can definitely make $40 per hour every day, and more time you spend, more money you can make. And if you just want to a financial future, you can just go on and you can earn your first dollar in your online earning story. So all it takes is just be active, and money will definitely follow you. So this is, guys, I hope you like this method. If you want more videos, just stay with my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.